In this course, you will practically learn about CAD, and use Autodesk Inventor software to create differential gear systems. This is a practical course, where you will get hands-on experience with designing various parts, gear assemblies, key designs, creating joints, applying constraints, and also learn to perform various dynamic simulations on the model. This course is even suitable for beginners, where you will start by designing the parts required, then move on to assembling the parts, and perform dynamic simulations. The course is based on Sci-Fi Labs' Learn, Do, Review methodology, which ensures that you learn the technical concepts, in addition to developing the project. A topic like CAD can only be mastered by developing projects, and Sci-Fi Labs makes the process super easy for you. Get course access instantly upon enrollment. And you can complete the course within 1 week from anywhere on Earth, and earn a certificate. Using Sci-Fi Labs courses, you will not only build projects with a definite output, but also learn the concepts involved in it. So, you can attend and crack interviews with confidence. Enroll today, and start learning by developing projects.